I want to show you how to do background research. We're going to start here at the library page and click on this tile here, articles and databases, and see the two columns. There's the background reading databases over here and the in-depth databases. We'll use those next week. This week, we're just going to use these two, Gale eBooks, CQ Researcher. Gale eBooks is a lot of articles from encyclopedias. My test topic is bees. I'm interested in how bees help sustain our food production. And I'm really going to just be looking at the titles of the encyclopedias that the articles are published in to make my first pass and see if there's anything that looks promising. Principles of Modern Agriculture, that looks promising. I'm even going to do a search within here. I'm going to Control F and put in bees in that little search box and see where the information about bees is. There's a little paragraph on pollinators and pollinator decline. So I'm liking this source. I'm going to continue on and I'm continuing to look at the encyclopedia names to look for a relevant one talking about the environment or sustainability, and not seeing too much. So Gale eBooks really does like simple searches, but I'm going to add one. Decline. The decline of bees. Environmental issues today. Now that looks pretty promising. I'm going to do a Control F. And bees are important keystone species. Without bees, the decline. To be sure, if the global bee population, yeah, I'm liking this. Okay, so before I move on to show you CQ Researcher, I just want to show you this really cool feature. Click here for your automatic citation. Love that. All right, CQ Researcher, they write reports. It's a service that writes reports, so I'm going to put bees right into my search box, and I'm going to look and see if there are any reports. Species extinction looks great. I'm going to go down a little further. Pesticide controversies. Pesticides, I think, are related to the decline, most agree. And vanishing biodiversity. Now that looks good here. And I'm gonna dig in here a little bit. And this also has a site now.